Hello children, how are you all? Fine. Let's start our new drawing. Today's drawing is about the parrot and the mango. Here, first I will outline all the basic main drawing of the picture. That is a parrot and the mango. Parrot with the help of green color sketch pen, and mangoes and the branches will be in the green color with the technique called blending with the help of oil pastel. Okay children? Now children, see, for the parrot I am using two colors of green shades. For mango and the parrot beak and the belt of this parrot neck, I am going to color with orange, red and yellow. And for the branches, the brown shades, and for the leaves, the green colors with blend of little bit of yellow. So let's start coloring with the technique called blending.